Pagpapadala ng Christmas packages o balikbayan boxes ng libre. Yan ang hatid sa isang kolaborasyon ng isang kilalang kumpanya sa ilang piling Filipino store sa Greater Toronto area. Silipin sa report ni Paula Saraza.
Offering free box and free shipping is kind of weird, you know. You will not expect someone will do that.
Hindi raw makapaniwala si Rosita de la Cruz nang unang alukin lumahok sa programa ng isang kilalang North American company. Mistulang regalo kasi sa komunidad ang proyektong libreng balikbayan box at libreng shipping. Sa ikatlong taon nito, 9 na Filipino stores ang kabilang sa kolaborasyon.
Not only my regular customers, so many new faces come just to get the box.
If you still remember, Tita, how many boxes were you able to give last year?
I think it's more than 100.
Hindi ito ang unang beses na nakipag-partner si Tita Rosita ng Philippine Oriental Food Market sa Balikbayan Box program ng Coca-Cola. Pero mas naging espesyal ang taong ito dahil bukod sa kanyang Balikbayan Box, isang sorpresang pagkikita ng pamilya matapos ang halos 10 taon.
Ayun lang kami. Pero
I heard they know there is a balikbayan box delivery, so that is what they expect. So when they saw me, I was the one delivering it. Everybody screaming, "Hi, Auntie Rose!" So, you know, they're very excited to see me, and then they know there's so many gifts in the box. They become more excited. Yeah.
When you're working with partners like Miss Tita Rosita and her amazing store in the community that it serves, we recognize that it's a great opportunity for the community to come together and celebrate these traditions that are really important for staying connected with family and with friends in the Philippines.
Nasa kultura at tradisyon ng araw ng mga Pilipino abroad ang pagpapadala ng balikbayan box tuwing Pasko. Dahil sa nagtataasang presyo ng bilihin, malaking ginhawa nila ang hatid ng programa ngayong holiday season.
They're helping them to save a lot of money. Like nowadays, the shipping cost is very expensive. So I wish and hope there will be another box coming.
You don't need to sign up. You just need to participate. You just need to show up rather at one of our 9 participating Sorry stores. And we have a website that lists those out. And while supplies last, you will have access to a free box. You can take it home and fill it and then bring it back to the store to get it shipped.
Nasa 600 kahon ang inihanda para sa Balikbayan Box program na ibinahagi sa 9 na mga tindahan sa Greater Toronto area. Opisyal itong nag-umpisa noong Biyernes. Ilan pang mga kahon ang naabutan namin sa tindahan ni Tita Rosita. Inaasahan niyang gaya noong nakalipas na taon, marami pa sa kanyang mga customer ang bibisita sa tindahan para kumuha ng kanilang box at magpahabol ng kanilang pamasko sa Pilipinas.
It's very special when they receive something from abroad.
Paula Saraza, Omni News, Toronto.